Switzerland.
And they have still their
Ayan,
own.
Henderson, Switzerland. Pero
There's the
pinabalik kami. So,
There's the flag of
pamunta na,
Switzerland.
samahan kami sa
You are in the boundary.
paglalakbay. At
Can I see?
makakapasok pa rin tayo dyan.
Where do we go?
Actually, ayan, pinadaan kami dito sa loob na daan because we cannot go to the highway if we don't pay the peads. Ayan, we're entering again Switzerland. Dito nga lang sa loob na daan. Kasi dito lang naman kami malapit sa boundary. So, pwede kami dumaan dito sa loob-loob na daan para hindi kami magbayad ng toll gate. We're on the way to Porrentruy Castle. It's just by the boundary of Switzerland and France.
Is that
So
castle?
we're going to Porrentruy Castle.
We're going to the bundok na. To my castle. Oh, there's the my castle na lang. Ayan, ate, I'm using all the view. The bundok. Oh, diba? Oh, you see? Oh, and here is the parking.
We always meet people here who are also interested in castles.
So this is Porrentruy Castle. Wow. And they have a beautiful
1, 2,
view.
3. Look, this is the castle in Porrentruy. Wow.
We go to the Lama.
No, we go down first.
Down?
Yeah, down. It's ekta
We
mooi.
go down.
Ja,
Why don't we stay up here and then look around?
ja, jij kan ook daar is ook mooi.
Yeah.
Ja. Kom. Kijk daar. Wow. Asal ayaw mo?
Ganda-ganda talaga ng view dito. Grabe. Super.
3.
Ang ganda ng view.
1, 2, 3. So beautiful, oh. Tapos to yung castle. Tanaw mo yung view na yan. Ganda. Diyan muna.
Ayan, kaya picture-picture tayo sa magandang view
1,
ng
2,
Porrentruy
3.
Castle. That is the Porrentruy.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
Linisin lang tayo.
Tous les jours.
Till 6 o'clock. You will see. Chateau de Porrentruy. Yan, oh. Wow. Ang ganda, ah. Oh. Chateau de Porrentruy. Welcome. Oh, di ba? Oh. Tams, ayan, oh. Panibagong chateau.
There used to be, of course, there used to be always water in there.
Ayan, oh. Ganda. Wait.
Look, mas maganda ang view rin sa loob if you go inside the castle. Ayan, ang ganda ng view niya. O, kitang-kita mo talaga. Ang ganda. Grabe.
3.
So, this is the Porrentruy Castle here in Switzerland.
1, 2, 3.
At maganda din yung castle
1,
niya,
2,
but
3.
it is closed. Kaya, dito lang kami sa labas. Magpipicture-picture. O, ayan, picture-picture.
Look at so beautiful. The castle Porrentruy. Te, dito ka muna.
Ayan, dyan ka muna. More picture tayo. Picture muna tayo. Ang cute ng baby, oh. Cute ng bata. O, nagpa-picture si Ate Ems. O, ayan. More picture. One, two, three. At meron din siyang pababa. Ayun, bumaba si Ate Ems looking for the toilet path. Ayun, oh, meron din daan pababa to. At meron pang kabababaan daw yan, sabi niya. Hindi na ako bumaba. By the way, ang ganda talaga ng Porrentruy Castle here in Porrentruy. And kagaya ng ibang mga castle, meron silang mga hayop. At ito ngayon, ang hayop nila rito, ang donkey. Super cute ng donkey at super bait. Meron silang dalawang donkey. Ayan, oh, mahahawakan mo sila. Ang galing, ang cute nila at ang bait-bait. Oh, diba? Super cute donkey. Oh, friendly ang donkey, ah. Look, ang cute, diba? At meron din silang llama. Look, the two llama. Sayang, hindi sila lumapit. Natakot yung llama. So, nandun sila sa malayo. So, meron ditong llama and donkey. Dito sa Porrentruy Castle. Nice. Wow. Ang galing-galing naman ng mga llama. Tsaka ng donkey. May castle sila. O, diba? Sosyalan sila. Kanila yung castle. Anyway, ayan, pabalik na kami. So, we will use again the same route. Yung lumang daan, pabalik. Para hindi kami makadaan sa toll gate at nang hindi magbayad. Medyo may kamahalan din if gagamitin mo lang ang toll gate for a short time. Okay lang sana kung all year round mo gagamitin. Oh, ayan, grabe, laki ng dinosaur. Kita nyo? Maganda rin dumaan actually dito sa loob kasi marami kayong makikita. It's not like the highway. Dito maraming bahay. Maraming makikita siya. O, diba? Ang ganda. So, ayan ang dinosaur. At ayan, tapos na kami ng Switzerland. So, we're entering France again. So, we are here in France ulit. Bumalik kami sa France. Salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Ayan. We're on the way from Germany. Kasi doon kami mag-i-sleep at bukas uuwi na rin kami sa Netherlands. So maraming salamat. So hope you like it. Thank you.